Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can make up to $29 an hour just by typing online. And the best part is, you don't need any prior experience to get started. So, you might be thinking, what kind of typing jobs are we talking about here? Well, there are various types of typing jobs that you can do online, such as data entry, transcription, and captioning. Data entry jobs involve typing data into spreadsheets or databases, and the pay rate can range from $10 to $20 per hour. Transcription jobs require you to listen to audio recordings and type out what you hear, and the pay rate can range from $15 to $30 per hour. Captioning jobs involve creating captions for videos, and the pay rate can range from $20 to $30 per hour. Now, I know what you're thinking, I don't have any experience in any of these fields. But don't worry, many companies are looking for beginners who are willing to learn and work hard. So where can you find these typing jobs? There are many websites that offer typing jobs, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can also search for typing jobs on job boards like Indeed and Glassdoor. Now, before you start applying for these jobs, make sure you have a good typing speed and accuracy. You can take typing tests online to see where you stand and improve your skills. And once you start getting jobs, make sure you meet the deadlines and provide high-quality work. This will help you build a good reputation and get more job opportunities in the future. So, there you have it, 7 different ways to make up to $29 an hour just by typing online. If you're willing to put in the effort and work hard, you can definitely make a good income from these jobs. Good luck, and thanks for watching.